8 o'clock.
Thanks everybody for being
Okay. Am I going to be on YouTube?
There you go. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, it's Josh. Thanks for stopping by the channel. In today's episode, we are going to show what a typical Saturday of yard sales looks like. Little up and down, but it was all around a great Saturday. Let's jump in to these yard sales.
In this one? 10 for that. That one, this. That's what I meant by they can work together. We had to get a second one for a second one. So that's why but they technically go together.
I picked up those Vionic shoes, size 11 wide. They should bring in probably about $40 to $45. They cost a little over $100, so if you've never heard of Vionic, definitely pick those up.
I think most of the shoes are women's size 11 and men's size 6, I think.
Okay. Got these Under Armour shoes as well. They're actually a men's size 9.5, and they look brand new. I'll list them new other for probably $35 to $40. You know price on them?
She knows prices on the shoes.
She's doing all that part?
She's doing all that.
I got you.
Honey, how much for your shoes?
It depends on the shoe. Most of them I'm only asking 3, but there's a couple pairs of boots that are
Got you.
a little bit tighter. Come here, Randy. Come here, Randy. Bought the stroller and the car seat together, so it's gonna take. I'm just letting you know so you're not. I gave her I'm not trying to rip the feelings, honey. I'm trying to give stuff a second life and not.
I also got these New Balance Fuel Cell Rebel V2s. These things looked incredible. All the shoes were actually super clean. These are another high-priced brand new pair of shoes. These aren't new, but they'll still bring in like $40 to $45. Got 2 of those already. Oh, sweet.
It's the whole set.
VTech, it works?
Yes. She's just, we're at the point she doesn't need it.
We were so excited to find that little VTech baby monitoring system. We didn't want to buy them brand new because we usually see them at yard sales all the time, and this was a really good one. It's like a $60 to $80 set. We'll probably just order an extra camera so we can get rid of the boys one and get them on like 2 different channels and just have one little monitor. So really good pickup there. How much did you want for this?
I'm asking 15.
15. And what about the shoes?
The Under Armours I'll do 3. The Balance 5. The Vionics I'm gonna ask 10. They're $130 shoes.
Gotcha.
They're orthotics. It just
10,
they were meant to
15,
be running shoes.
Yeah, 30 for everything. That's just basically getting the
That's fine.
that for free. So
Oh, you drove this time.
Yeah, I drove back down.
You don't have if you get a 10.
Yeah. I can find change.
I used to have.
I'm gonna go get a bag out of my truck.
You're fine.
Chainsaw, I think it needs a carburetor, $10.
Oh, Scooby shirts.
I could get the chainsaw to run, but it wouldn't stay running, so I stopped messing with it. The leaf blower does run. What's happened here? Huh? What's happened? It doesn't lock anymore, so I tape it on there. It falls out, so I tape it on.
So put a bead on there and put it back in there and lock it back in.
North Face jacket? 6. 5? Does that work? Okay. Even number? I mean, even bill? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was able to still shop around, get this North Face Apex jacket. Extra large, nice navy blue. it should do like 25 to 30 bucks.
Yeah.
I think it was at one time.
How old is she?
Just turned 20 months.
Oh, awesome.
Yep.
Ooh, lemonade. I'm gonna get some before I leave, okay?
Okay.
It's like I definitely gonna have to get lemonade.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Where? Richmond Street? No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good.
This still works.
We can plug it in real quick.
No, I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, I plugged all my appliances in, except for the juicer because it's never been. I didn't want to get it out.
Gotcha.
Juicer's brand new. It's one of those things that
You get, and you just never get around to. Yeah. All right, is it this and the attachments? I take it.
I believe so. Yeah.
$2.
Kim, it's all the attachments, right?
Yeah.
Those are all the
those are all
attachments?
the attachments.
All right. This magic bullet was a really good find. It has both sides of the juicers, but all of the canister sets. And I'll be able to put this into 2 lots. One for just the colorful, lidded canisters for about $12 to $15. But then I can put the actual juicer with its 2 little size pods for about $25 plus shipping. So all in all, a little over 40 bucks. Here you go. Oh, yep. I gotta make sure I have another dollar.
You record your garage sale shopping?
Yeah, man. People love to shop vicariously through you.
Yeah, interesting.
Oh, that is so
you
cool.
stream on YouTube or?
Yeah. Got a
cool.
YouTube channel. Been doing it for like 2 years, and it's just a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Part of the channel name. A little bit.
Yeah.
Getting there.
What's the name of your channel?
Flips Finds Fun. We find stuff, we flip it, we'll resell some stuff, we collect stuff,
Yeah.
we give it to people, whatever we can do. Yeah. And then we have fun. We do it as a family. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah, cool. We just got a 4-week-old at home, so my wife's not with me today. All right, give me one of those lemonades ready, okay? Because they look too good. Okay, yes, and my lemonade. Thank you so much. Keep the business up. Yes, you did. Yeah.
Good gentleman.
She's got to keep the business up. Like that's entrepreneurship at its best right there. Y'all have a good one. Okay, this yard sale was crazy.
8 o'clock.
Thanks everybody for being
Hey, running. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh Lord, just don't knock me over. That's all I.
No. I'm looking. I'm observing.
everything on the table. I'd do 1,000.
The price is right. 20.
Five each. They will. They're not running right now. 5 each.
That was straight up hilarious.
I was just like, okay.
What's sold, okay? Thank you.
Good old VeggieTales. Love me some VeggieTales. Okay.
Lisa, I need a 5.
Suffocation, no breathing.
All 3. The red shoe. The 3 on that. And then you said 5 for the 2.
How's it going?
Good.
Morning. What do you, baby? What do you, baby? Your shoes and your shirt. I ain't worried about that shit.
I'm not worried about that shit. I ain't worried about that shit. Yeah.
What are you asking on the shoes? Okay. Yeah, Vans. 5. Okay. I don't know a whole lot on these Camo Vans. They're mid tops. They were like, I think kid size 5 or like 5Y, and then 6.5 in women's. But they were super clean, as all the shoes were that we picked up, because we get behind on cleaning shoes. So we'll see what these end up selling for, and I'll do a little more research.
Hopefully you get that. 50 cents for this?
I don't got my quarters.
I have quarters.
Oh, my wife will be excited.
I have no kids, but I would be going to yardsales if I had kids.
Well,
you get so much stuff from people, and you know.
well, those are self-explanatory. Yeah, we're keeping those.
I got business to handle.
All right. Yep.
Okay.
So, $9. 11.
Yeah.
She was thinking about it.
Yeah, I do math.
It's good. You ain't pull your phone out, so that's good. See. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
How's it going? Sleepy, but surviving.
What is that on you?
GoPro. I got
Are you like,
a YouTube channel.
you're doing your deals you're finding?
Yeah, and people were like, "Oh, why didn't you get that? That's so cool."
Me and my friend watch it all the time. There's this guy in like Lynchburg. Do you know who he is?
Kevin, yeah, Commonwealth Picker. Yep.
Yeah. Yes, we watch him all the time.
Yep, he's a good dude.
Prices are negotiable.
What are you gonna do with it? You could decorate it.
I know, especially I'll tell Kevin you said hi.
You love that.
Yeah. I don't know him, but I watch his videos all the time.
I know, but like I'll say that I've been called him today already.
Okay. Am I going to be on YouTube?
There you go. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Where's your channel? I need to.
Flips Finds Fun.
Flips Finds Fun.
Yep, we find it, we flip it, we do family fun stuff.
My friend flips too.
Yeah,
It's
just it's fun to do. We got 3 kids now. I got a 4-week-old.
Yeah.
Just now, that's why I'm tired.
My daughter right here has a vintage thrift store in Old Town Petersburg.
Nice. Which one?
Oh my god,
She's
not
got-
me.
no,
She
she-
Oh.
was sitting in this seat. She went inside real quick.
This was a really fun yard sale to stop by. She asked about the GoPro, and sometimes that you don't know what's going to happen. She was like, "No, I love Kevin, Commonwealth Picker." She loves watching both channels, Commonwealth Picker, Commonwealth Flipper, and he does a great job. He is Virginia's best, but when he's out of town, like at the 127, I guess I get to be the Commonwealth Picker. I was asked if I was Kevin twice today. We don't look anything alike. He probably looks way better than me, but he's a great guy to learn from. But she was still willing to do the good deals. These on clouds, I was amazed to find these in the wild. She had $20 on there. My GoPro did cut out by the end of this video. She said, how about 7? She gave me a better deal. These will go for about $60. I snagged this little pineapple Scentsy warmer. We do really good with Scentsy warmers. This one will go for about $20. She said the light bulb needed to be replaced. How about we do like $1.50? And she was just doing really incredible with the deals.
Don't put yard sales were a bust on mine.
No. Don't worry, I will not put yard sales were a bust. If you are watching, thank you once again so much. You are one of the best of the day. Not just because of prices. It was so good chatting with you. And I plan on, her daughter has a cool little vintage shop that I find a lot of that stuff I don't like selling on eBay. And I plan to take it over there to her. So once again, if you're watching, thank you once again. It was a pleasure talking with you. I went to one more yard sale with the dead GoPro, and I'll just let you know. I was digging through. This is about 10:45, and he had a little DVD tote. Any DVD was like 25 cents, 50 cents, something like that. And I dig in the bottom, and I see this PSP Grand Theft Auto Vice City. I was like, hey, do you have the game system or anything like that? He said, no, but it's in that box. I don't really play it anymore. You can still have it. I think it was 25 cents. I just gave him $1. Didn't have any change. I said, keep it, because this will go for about $30 free shipping. Thanks again for tuning in today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed what you watched. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know what I missed, because I even know that I missed a few things, but maybe there were some things that I would have picked up. Let me know by leaving a comment down below. Give this video a like, and we'll see you again next time. Let's make the world a better place all together, everybody, with a sale and a smile, and we'll see you again real soon.